Oftentimes in Excel, we're dealing with huge amounts of data. So sorting is a great way to take the data that we have and sort it either in alphabetical order or ascending or descending order. So let's go through an example. With our movie data, we can go through and sort. So for example, let's say we want to look at the actor 1 Facebook likes. Since we have it set up as a table, we can select the arrow just to the right of the name, and then we have quite a few different options. We can sort things by smallest to largest, largest to smallest. We could also filter out different values. So we could take off select all, and let's say we only want, someone that has a certain number of values, such as 66. We could select as many as we wanted. So let's start by looking more at the sorting option. So let's assume we would probably want to look at the first actor that has the most Facebook likes. So we would want to select sort largest to smallest. So as we do this, then we can figure out exactly who's got the largest number of Facebook likes. In this case, it's Will Ferrell. So let's say we also want to consider other features that we want to sort by. Oftentimes in industry, we don't want to sort just by one thing. So we can go to the sort and filter option, and then we can also do a custom sort. When we do this, you'll notice as soon as this dialog box opened, it selected all of our data. So we could start by sorting our actor 1 Facebook likes, but we could also add in another level then. So maybe in this case, we want to look at the director Facebook likes. And in this case, we would also want to make sure that we're looking at the order. And here again, we'd probably want to look at largest to smallest. This would give us the top billing actor and the director to see what potential combination would give us the largest number of Facebook likes. So when we go to select this, it's going to sort all of our data together. And interestingly enough, we still have Will Ferrell at the top, and then Adam McKay for the top director. And together they would have the highest numbers for the sorting. It's important to note that it's going to sort first by the actor name. So we're still starting with 640,000 likes. And then the second part it will sort by is the directors. So it's looking at the director Facebook likes. So in this case, Adam McKay with 285. So as you can see, our second and third top Facebook likes are tied at 260,000 Facebook likes. It's going to look then at the directors, and here John Stockwell has 134, which is why it's ranked second. And then Johnny Remo is 74, which is why it's third.